You search for how to buy shares of Itissalat Al Maghrib SA. This company is a leading Moroccan telecommunications operator listed on Euronext with ticker IAM.PA. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will be required to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker IAM.PA to find the security. Select the listing that matches Itissalat Al Maghrib to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and review the price chart. Confirm the company name and the IAM.PA ticker to make sure it is the right equity. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review the order before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next open, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient before it confirms. Once the trade is confirmed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, a link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same process shown.